Ecosystem. Some facts for exam. Eucalyptus is known as environmental evil. It absorbs too much inland water and decreases water level at the place of its plantation. It is mostly found in Australia. Lentic ecosystem refers to the static water habitats like ponds, lakes, swamps and marshes. Lotic ecosystem refers to the moving water habitats like rivers. Ecotone is a region of transition between two biological communities. Oceanic ecosystem is the most stable ecosystem. Said term ecosystem was coined by Egg Tansley. Said order of ecosystem productivity in decreasing order mangrove, grasslands, lake, ocean. An ecosystem with more diversity has more productivity. The entire sequence of communities that successively change in a particular area are called SEER. Pycnocline, it shows density gradient in an aquatic system. Halicline, it shows a salt gradient in an aquatic system. Thermocline represents the change in temperature with the depth of an aquatic system. Arnnes in 1973 used the term deep ecology for the first time. The ecological niche term was coined by Joseph Grinnell in 1917, who called it microhabitats. The concept of ecological transition was first used by John W. Bennett. He proposed the concept in his book, The Ecological Transition, Cultural Anthropology and Human Adaptation. Indian Wildlife Protection Act was passed in 1972. Environment Protection Act was passed in 1986. Forest Conservation Act was passed in 1980. Oceanic outflow is the process in which warm and nutrient-less water at the surface is replaced by cold and nutrients-rich water by airflow wind. ECO-sensitive zones are mentioned under the Environment Protection Act, 1986. The vehicles used for commercial activities in ECO-sensitive zones have been regulated, but are not prohibited hence except agriculture. Rest of the human activities are not prohibited, but some of these are restricted, and some of them have been regulated.